Hello again, and just time to let you have a quick look at this Mini One, finished in the pepper white, 2010 car. Just quite a lot of stone chips there on the leading edge of the bonnet. Got all good tyres on it. Just had an MOT and a new battery. It's got a nasty little stone chip on the roof there. Little one there as well. Clean inside. It's got the book pack with it. Full service history with this one. In the boot area, you've got a blow up kit, towing eye jack tools and locking wheel nut tool, all there, nothing missing. A few more blemishes there, and again on the leading edge of the roof there's some chips there, there and there. Control there for the electric door mirrors. Comes with 2 remote keys. Start up. $114,000 miles. Like I say, full service history with that. Radio's all working. Aircon kicks in. Controls for electric windows, central locking. So it's got the auxiliary and USB input down there. 6-speed manual gearbox, conventional handbrake, glove box there, and also got the secret glove box under there. So there you go. Just thought I'd let you have a quick look at that. If you're interested in a little Mini, make a nice little runabout for somebody, or a starter car, give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. And thanks again for watching.